Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. We're checking out this. It's a Rywell harness. Stick around as I'm going to take my dog, Jeanette, on a walk. This is the medium harness. I would say the max size you want for a dog with the medium is about 27 pounds. So if they're bigger than that, go ahead and get the large. And this is a great little harness. So stick around. We're going to show you all about it, give the product details, show you the harness, the leash, and of course the collar. So let's go ahead, check it out, and kick it off right about now. All right, folks, now we're checking out the harness. This is a great little harness. You know, my dog has some back issues now that she's older. So just having a harness that isn't pulling and tugging on her is making a real difference. You can see how excited she is, and even if I try to stop her, it isn't like hurting her. She's not wincing or anything. So the idea of a harness, particularly as your dog gets older or before they have neck and back problems, is great. You don't need to be tugging on their neck all the time. And the idea that you can grab them, say there's an emergency, you can grab on and you can get right here and you're not really tugging on them, causing too much shock. So a great product. And yeah, I'm a big fan. And you can tell my Jeanette spaghetti, Jeanette loves it too. So anyway, folks, if you're looking for a great harness, Rywell has got you covered. Jeanette's a big fan. She's like, is that a short walk? What are we doing? Why are we... She doesn't know why I keep talking. But anyway, folks, go ahead and pick yours up. You will not be disappointed. Rywell doing a great job with a great harness. We're going to show it to you. We're going to show the collar next. And stick around for the up-close portion of the video where you get to see the product details up close and personal. Jeanette, are you ready for a walk? All right, folks, we're going to go ahead and now we're trying out the leash and collar combo. Trying to do it one-handed, easy enough. And let's go ahead. Jeanette seems to really like this. This is her favorite part of the day, other than eating. Whoops. But yeah, it's a very nice leash and collar combo. You can see something nice about this is that it's got kind of a padding on the inside. And I like to wrap it around my hand like that. You never have to worry about losing the leash or her getting ahead. Now it is adjustable. She is a 27 to 30 pound beagle mix. She is 16 years old. I'm very happy to be on this walk. You know, if you don't walk your dog enough, they're just not happy and you're not happy. Getting a good walk in or even a jog. You imagine she is 16 and how much energy she has. But yeah, folks, this is a great leash combo. You're gonna love it. All right, folks, now we're gonna check it out up close and personal. This is the Rywell dog harness set, which comes with your collar, your leash, and of course your fantastic harness. Now this is gonna be a great harness because if you're just using a collar, you can potentially pull on your dog's neck. And for a lot of dogs, they start to get neck problems as they get older because you are pulling so much on them. Now this is a smart collar that it's not going to choke them if you pull on it. It's not going to get tighter by pulling on it. That is just smart to see, and it's nice to see us actually taking care of our pets. It's also thick, high quality, and a beautiful collar. Then we have the leash here, plenty long. And I like the darker colors. They don't show dirt as much. Let's face it, dogs can get dirty. Clip that on accordingly to either one. It's a good sturdy connection there. You don't have to worry about that pulling out or slipping off. And then, of course, the actual harness itself. All right. This looks like it would be the chest side. You've got service dog or in training that you can put on here in Velcro. Pretty nice. It looks like it's adjustable in size. I'm gonna have to make it a little bit bigger for my dog. She is a 27 pound old lady beagle mix. And yeah, just very excited about this. This is a nice harness that's gonna fit right around your dog, adjust the size accordingly, and this is gonna work very well for your pet. All right, folks, so my name is Adam, Elite Demonstrations, where we only show you products that we really like. And guess what? I really like this company. Rywell, R-Y-W-E-L-L, is making good quality products for your pet. And let's face it, we all love our pets so much. We know the importance of pets and their importance to our mental health. You want a nice, happy, healthy dog so you can be happy and healthy as well. As well with Rywell. All right, folks, go ahead and pick yours up. You will not be disappointed. Thanks again for watching. This is fantastic, and well, adios, amigos.